Yes. Chalo. Now we are learning the coefficient of restitution. Coefficient of restitution. We represent as simply E, small e. So coefficient of restitution, E will decide which type of collision it is. That's it, simple. This E will decide which type of collision. Okay. So देखो, it is a ratio of velocity of separation after collision to the velocity of approach before collision. That is called as E. So देखो V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2. So before ऐसे जा रहा है, hit किया, मान लो U1 is greater than U2, hit किया, hit करने के बाद velocities will change, right? V1, V2. So what is E value definition क्या है? V2 minus V1 mod लगाया, positive value, right? V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2. This is velocity of separation. This is velocity of approach, right? U1 is greater than U2, right? It is approaching and this is separating. So this is a formula, E value. So U1, U2 are the velocities of the two bodies before collision. V1, V2 are the velocities of the body after collision. When you're doing numericals, you have to follow two steps. One is conservation of movement. Second one is E का value. ये दोनों यूज करके न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व कर सकते हो. Copied.
So once again.
So this you can only use when U1 is greater than U2.
U1 is greater than 0. Then only collision will happen, right? Otherwise, it will not have a collision.
Okay. Oh God.
Yeah, what happened?
Yes. Copied. Chalo. Next. देखो, I told you, E is greater than 0, less than 1. It is inelastic collision. And collision between given, which we already know. Perfectly elastic collision में E value is 1. Why? Tell me. E value formula क्या था? V2 minus V. Derivation में we got both 0. Perfectly inelastic collision E value is 1. Okay. And just write down this. Collision is 0.
Sir, the voice is breaking a lot.
क्या पता नहीं चल रहा.
Sir, if they give an angle, will E be equal to tan square?
What?
So like they given
If they give
two objects colliding in an inclined plane and ask us to find
आपका
E.
ब्रेक हो रहा है ना. if the given angle, line of impact ke along, we have to put the values.
Okay.
Sir, your video froze.
I'll rejoin it. When they given any angle along the line of impact, we are putting the velocities. हम लोग है ना?
Yeah.
चलो इसका न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे ना. करो. Ball A of mass 2 kg is moving with speed is 5 meters per second. Collides directly with another ball of mass 3 kg moving in the same direction with speed is much. The coefficient of restitution. देखो E is 2/3. That means you can tell that it is a inelastic collision. Find the velocities after collision.
Sir, if E is 0, it's inelastic, right?
Inelastic में E is not 0.
Perfectly inelastic.
Perfectly inelastic में E is 0. So inelastic में E is greater than 0, less than 1.
So we have to use two equations. One is coefficient and conservation of momentum.
Yes. It apply conservation of momentum and E value लगा के solve करो. That's it. All problems you have to solve like that only. Conservation of momentum and E value formula use करके solve करो.
So can I just use V1 formula we'll get directly? There's no point of giving restitution.
देखो V1 formula कौन सा use करेगा? This is elastic collision, huh? This is not elastic collision. देखो E value is given 2/3. So this is inelastic collision. So we cannot apply this formula.
Wait,
So
it's inelastic.
why E equal 2/3 means what? How much value? E value?
Yeah, point something.
Uh,
0.6.
so we cannot apply that formula. Unmute करके बोलो.
4 and 14/3.
देखेंगे.
So other than that case yesterday where we took the degrees as well. What was that for? M1 V1 cos theta, that one. The video froze again, sir.
Elastic collision को we should not involve in this. Inelastic collision का conservation of momentum लगो.
Yeah, 1 second. So but okay.
हाँ.
Sir, I got V1 equal to 4.
Okay. And V2?
2/3 plus 4, which is 4.66.
4.66.
Yeah.
2 kg per directly with mass 3 kg moving with same direction with the speed of 4 meters per second. जा रहा है. So after hitting collision होगा. The 2 kg elastic collision, but this is not elastic collision. कितना है आपको मानो? सॉल्व करो. First apply conservation of momentum, one equation you will get, and second method में you have to apply E equal to this one v2 minus v1 by u1 minus u2. Just karo and solve. Two equations. Two equations, two variables will get.
Okay, yeah,
answer.
and sir, I understood what to do. 1 second.
Yeah.
Sir, I got V1 as 4 and V2 as 14 by 3.
Yes. So answer is 4 and 4.67. Okay. Chalo next. Okay. A ball is moving with a velocity 2 meters per second towards a heavy wall of the mass. The wall is moving 1 meters per second. इस तरफ आ रहा है 1 meters per second. ये वाला 2 meters per second से जा रहा है towards each other. Assume collision is elastic. Find the velocity of the ball immediately after collision. Ball का velocity कितना होगा after collision? And ये heavy wall है ना, when you hit the wall का speed तो v2 will be same only. And apply sign conventions and solve properly.
Sir, can't we just directly say it'll move 4 meters per second?
कितना?
4 meter per second.
Why?
So, because the mass of wall is very heavy as compared to the ball.
हाँ. Then क्या होगा?
So, it'll move back with velocity to you.
No, wrong. Why? Because that should be rest में रहेगा. Case देखो. That should be at rest. The heavy body should be rest. It is moving now here. We can apply. Okay, इसमें I told you cycle and lorry told. Cycle जाके hit
Sir,
करने से lorry को, the lorry should be at rest. Then only it will be double.
Sir, would we
But it
get
is-
it in terms of E?
Yeah, no. Answer will be
We'll
number
get a
आएगा.
number.
हाँ, number आएगा. Method से answer can be same, but वो वाला rest case में only you apply the concept.
So they didn't give mass, right?
No.
So I can elastic. Okay, fine. So, but how do we calculate without mass?
अरे elastic collision में E value is how much?
1.
Oh,
use the-
yeah.
P2 minus V1 by U1 minus इधर mass क्यों required है?
So, but they told us.
Okay. V2 क्या होगा? Tell me. V2 will be same only. After collision also V2 will be same. Heavy mass है ना? V2 will be same. So मतलब V2 is given, U1 is given, U2 is given, E is given. V1 find करो.
Sir, it will be 4, sir. Minus
yes,
4.
Yes, minus 4.
So, why will the V2 be same?
हाँ? A
Why is
heavy
V2?
देखो, a heavy wall बोल के mention किया ना, बॉल हिट किया तो वॉल का स्पीड चेंज नहीं होगा ना. हेवी बॉल का he told right, that's why इसका स्पीड will be same. अभी whenever he says that heavy ऐसा बोलते तो उसका स्पीड कंटिन्यूएशन सेम ही रहेगा. बिकॉज ट्रक है ना, ट्रक का सोचो, साइकिल आके हिट किया तो ट्रक का स्पीड तो नहीं आएगा ना. सो ऐसा रहेगा, कंटिन्यूस रहेगा.
Okay.
सो आंसर मच गॉट
So I got -4.
-4 मतलब बॉल इज गोइंग लेफ्ट साइड. उसका माइनस मींस लेफ्ट साइड जा रहा है. सो फॉर्मूला सिंपली सब्स्टिट्यूट. 1 is equal to V2 is -1 minus V1 by U1 minus U2. So 2 minus U2 minus 1. Right?
Yeah.
Substitute करो, you'll get the value of 4 meters per second. 4 is the answer.
Yeah.
Next. ये करो जेईई मेंस क्वेश्चन, देखते हैं कौन करेगा. An object M1 collides with another object M2, which is at rest. After collision, the objects move with equal speed in opposite direction. The ratio of the masses will be. So whenever you don't mention, आपको elastic collision ले सकते हैं. Whenever they don't mention anything, elastic collision ले सकते हैं.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, if they're moving together,
Moving together means
Okay,
definitely inelastic collision. Perfectly
Okay.
inelastic. He told her, no, right? So, option cell.
So, but we can't take elastic, right? Because we'll get V2 minus V1 as 0.
V1
Oh,
is
opposite. Never
sign
mind.
convention use करो.
So I got 1:3. No, 3:1, sorry.
the 3 is to.
Yes, perfect. Reached one is answer. तो 2021 में आया.
I'm getting 1:1.
Wrong. आप पहले फर्स्ट कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम लगाओ.
So if you use it, you'll get M1 V1 is equals to M2 V1. I mean, M1 U1.
M1 U1 is equal
M1
to
U1 is equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V1. Minus, oh my.
माइनस एक आएगा. And then E value यूज करो.
Yeah, I got U1 as 2 V1.
Substitute करो in the momentum equation. Always that only. Two equations, two variables, substitute. उसमें पूरा ये पूरा कैंसिल हो जाएगा. M2 and M1 ही बचेगा. 3:1 will be the answer.
So I'm still
कितना है?
getting 1:1 for some reason. So can you just write the conservation of linear momentum equation? That's
कंजर्वेशन
answer.
ऑफ मोमेंटम देखो. M1 U1 is equal to minus M1 V plus M2 V.
So I did M1 V minus
ये
M2
इस तरफ
V.
है ना. इस तरफ because both are equal speed है ना. That's why I put V. इस तरफ minus V, इस तरफ V.
So
First equation.
if I take M1 V minus M2 V, then
You are taking right side negative ले रहे हैं. So उसके accordingly पूरा करना पड़ेगा. So always right side positive, this side negative. Okay.
yeah, so
And
but
then-
there can be a case where M1 can be towards the right and M2 can be towards the left, right?
Anything. But आपको एक ही साइन कन्वेंशन फॉलो करो total न्यूमेरिकल में. Okay. So V2 minus V1 by u1 minus u2, which is EA1 है ना, elastic collision. So v2 minus v1. v2 is how much here? Now here also we have to substitute as per the sign convention only. So v2 is I'm taking positive only. So v
Yeah, I got, sir. I got
minus
this.
minus v. Aya?
Yeah, yeah.
So either u1 is equal to 2v आएगा. Substitute here, you will get the value of 3:1.
Yeah.
Okay, चलो. Next. To the 19. All the options. All methods same only.
So they said that the continues to move with 1/4 of its original speed. That's for the 2 kg mass, right?
2 kg makes with elastic collision with second body thrust and continues to move in the original direction. 2 kg ka.
Yeah, 2 kg ka
But with
final,
one fourth of the
velocity
original
after
speed.
collision.
Second body ka mass find करना है.
No, sir. The 1/4 of the original speed is the fun,
For 2 kg.
velocity after collision of the two mass, right?
Yes.
Sir, does the second mass move?
हमारे हिटन के बाद move होगा ना.
Okay, wait,
A
it will
body of
move. Okay.
2 kg
Uh,
is moving with velocity u1 with second body at rest. Capital M मान लो at rest. Continues to move with original direction, but with 1/4 of the original speed. U/4. Asking what is the mass of the second body. So this m mass will move with some velocity v.
So I got 1.2.
So 1 second.
देखेंगे. We don't know.
So what is 6/5? 1.2. Yeah.
Same steps follow करने का. First conservation of momentum one equation and E value का one equation. Elastic collision E value is 1. Solve. Alright. हाय कृष्णा कितना है? Conservation of momentum लगा तो mass
it is
into
nothing
velocity.
different. So shouldn't it be minus u by 4?
माइनस
U by 4.
बी बाय 4 ऑप्शंस
Minus
में
u
बोलो
by
मास देखो इट इज गोइंग इन द सेम डायरेक्शन राइट यू बाय 4 ही टोल्ड राइट continues to move in the original direction के direction only it's going okay no minus so mass times of velocity here mass times of velocity here mass times of velocity right okay चलो now second equation क्या है E equal to v2 minus v1 by u1 minus u2 is equal to u1 minus u2 u minus u2 is 0 so v is equal to u plus u by 4 pi u by 4 now substitute this value in v में so you will get the value and will get the mass कितना कृष्णा हाँ कर रहे करो
So you'll get 5u by 4 and then you'll get 3 by 2 on this side.
3 by 2
5,
no
5 by
substitute the
4
momentum
m2
equation
is equal to 3 by 2.
ओके इसमें सबसे करो 2u हाँ ये कितना होगा 2u minus u by 2 is how much
Yeah, so got it.
हाँ 3u by 2 is equal to m into 5u by 4 so u cancel 2 to the 4 so it is m is equal to 6 by 5 that is 1 point so always in every problem में in the elastic में e value कुछ भी देने दो always two things momentum conservation e value लगाने का okay ये करो e value they given is 1 by 3
I got 40 by 3.
yeah we'll see
So what's the mass of the truck?
Minus 40 by 3.
no ट्रक का मास नहीं दिया ना
So they give ball's mass.
हाँ बॉल का मास है हाँ नहीं दिया no problem use the form same concept conservation momentum and this one mass of 10 kg moving with a velocity is much collides with a truck of moving in the same direction with a speed 5 meters same direction में जा रहा है ट्रक का e value is given what is the e value में फॉर्मूला उसमें सब करो आ जाएगा डायरेक्टली e value यूज करो आंसर पढ़ना
Yeah, so
e
you get
is
V2 minus 5.
v2 माइनस एंड दूसरा आपको ट्रक का स्पीड चेंज नहीं होगा ना
Yeah,
हाँ दैट इज
Then
इंपॉर्टेंट
why
थिंग
wouldn't it change?
हेवी बॉल में
Okay. It's a huge.
हाँ
So then it'll be 0 now, sir.
हाँ 0 इज आंसर
I got you.
आंसर देखेंगे इट इज 0 See, E is equal to V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2.
Sir, I got U2 and V2 will be minus 5, right? Same direction.
But direction
My bad.
understood hai wala?
Yes, sir.
Same formula you're using. E is equal to V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2.
Yeah, I got 0. Yeah, now I'll get 0.
So direction is very important. Sign convention is very
I
important.
didn't even read that.
चलो, a general equation of direct impact. See, E value का use करके we what we are doing conservation of momentum and E value use करके solve कर सकते हैं. दूसरा क्या है? Direct formula is there. Inelastic collision, we have formula to find B. Okay, so here M2 by M1 plus M2 into U2.
So won't this is same as solving both the equations?
Able to hear, Krisha? Yeah. So direct formula is also we can make without solving two steps. ये one step में आ जाएगा. Already you know right? M1 minus M2 आएगा ना? E M2 आएगा इसमें. And 2 के जगह में कभी भी 1 plus E आएगा. Wherever 2 M2 right? 2 के जगह में 1 plus E. अभी elastic collision में E value is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2.
Yes, sir.
And here you know E value is V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2. Basic thing. Able to hear right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Copied?
Yeah.
Yeah. So direct formula also एक बार use करके करो हो जाएगा right. Instead of 2 steps. See formula नहीं आए तो भी कर सकते हैं. Momentum conservation E value. Without doing the direct step भी आ सकते हैं. Okay. ये करो. Use the formula and solve. Try करो समझ में आएगा. So E value is 3 by 4 दिया. You're asking velocity of the first ball after striking the second ball. How much?
Sir, I got
Sir, 0.
How much, Krishna?
0.
0 ना?
Yeah.
sir, I got u by 6.
मे बी 0, पता नहीं, देखेंगे आंसर देखेंगे.
So I got u by 6.
U by 6 था.
Yeah.
नंबर नहीं आया.
No. Because they gave velocity as u, right? They didn't give a value.
Okay. So आंसर प्रणव आपका?
So 0.
So 0 is आंसर. Okay. इधर भी आएगा ना? U2.
So
See,
1 second.
so डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला कर सकते हैं और 2 स्टेप्स का कर सकते हैं, मोमेंटम कंजर्वेशन करके ई वैल्यू करके. ओके. सो बाय दिस योर कोलिजन का ऑलमोस्ट डन है. हम लोग